guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm super excited because I am the special guest on Thursday Train with Dave from DRH Acrylic Creations. Amazing artist, super cool work. You should check him out. After him we have Just Janese. You know I love you, Janese. You are a very amazing artist. She's always doing something new and different, and she could take like anything in your house, I think, and make something out of it. So after her we have Julie with It's Art by Julie E, and another super amazing person, artist. Just love you to death. So thank you so much, all three of you, for inviting me to be your special guest. I am honored and thrilled to be here. I'm gonna do something. And it's actually Michael from Michael's Making Art started it. It's an Odyssey Pour, which is just a wandering straight pour with some negative space in the middle and a metallic. But I'm putting a little twist on it, and in that negative space, I'm doing a radial swipe. And I can't take credit for that either, because Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon came up with it when we were doing Muppets the other day. So that's what I'm going to do today. I've got some colors out. I will tell you the colors as I put them down, but I'm just going to play some music and let you watch me fill the cup first.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure.
Alright guys, I'm back. I've put my pillow paint down, which is a Dutch Boy. It was a mist tint that I got at Menards for like $9 for a gallon. It's in a pale yellow, so we're rocking with it. I've spun it out a little bit because I don't want it. I want it to spread out, but I don't want it to spread out too far, because the last time I've done this a couple times, I just couldn't get my consistency right. So either I would leave too much on it and it didn't spread out enough, or I would put too much paint on it and it went too far, and then I had nothing left. So I'm hoping this will be a happy medium. We will see. All right, so let's just do this.
Just thought I should let you know, yeah. Now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know, yeah. Now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know, yeah. Now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know, yeah. thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that you don't know, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know that you don't know, no words no more, we don't know, no words no more, we don't know, no words no more, we don't know, no words no more, no, no. We don't know, no words no more, we don't know, no words no more, we don't know, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. Oh, oh. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it. 'Cause you know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, this time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, my, my, my. You got me like want you to leave so I can get you off my mind. We just weren't meant to be. I'm glad you set me free, and now I'm leaving you behind. 'Cause I'll be okay, 'cause I will be great. I'll move on, I'll be just fine, I'll be just fine. I will let go, till my broken heart is beating. Such a lie I will believe it. And I got this crazy feeling that someday I'll be okay, I'll be okay. I'll be just fine,
All right, guys, I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. All right, this is with my camera light on. She's really pretty. I really love the colors. She's shimmery. Yeah, I really, really like it. I'm going to bring you back down and show you what this looks like with the light off as well, so you can see the colors better. But yeah, it's really pretty. Be right back. All right, this is with the light off. Tell me what you think in the comments. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. If you missed any of these amazing artists before me, please go back and watch Dave or Janese or Julie. Thank you so much for inviting me to be on here with you guys. I appreciate it so very much. Love you guys. Big hugs. All right. Take care, everybody. Love you guys. And I'll just see you guys on the next one. Bye, everyone.